In today's video, we want to tell you about an app that will help you send and receive money effortlessly. Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Run 24/7. Now, if this is your first time checking out our channel, or if you've been here before but you hadn't subscribed, we want to encourage you now to take a moment to go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Now, while you're at it, go ahead and hit that bell icon also so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. So today's video, we want to tell you all about an app that will help you send and receive money super easy. And the name of that app is the Square Cash app. And as you look at my home screen of my phone here, you can see the Cash app is the one with the green icon with the dollar sign that says cash. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link down in the description area in case you're interested in this app. You can click on it to load it onto your phone. And this will work on any Android phone or any iPhone. So now, this is not a new app. It's just fairly new to me. I've been using it about 3 weeks now, and I love how convenient and simple it is to use. It doesn't take much to set it up. Just a few questions and a credit or a debit card, and you're good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Cash app real quick and show you a little bit some of the features of it and explain a little bit more. On the top right hand side, you see a picture of me. That's an icon of myself. I'm sorry. That's where your profile would be. And of course, in the middle, it shows the amount of money that you have in the app. And to the top right, it's like a clock symbol, which shows some of the activity that you've had in the app. And so, I guess first of all, I'm going to show you how to send some money. Now, if you were to send some money to someone, say for instance, you're going to send $9 to someone, you just put in 9 and you hit pay. And then it puts you at this screen where you either put the person's name in or their cash tag. And the cash tag is where you would see a dollar symbol and then some type of a name. So the cash tag, their name, or an email address. And then you would hit pay. And it would send it to them. Well, when you hit pay, it's going to ask you to either verify that you want to send that money through a PIN or through your fingerprint. So that's one way to send money. And then it's just the same way if you hit request here. Say, for instance, $8. We want to request some money. Then we would do the same thing, either put their name in there or their cash tag or email address. And then 4, it could be saying requesting $8 back from dinner yesterday that you paid the complete amount for. And so you hit after you put that in, you hit the request. It's going to send it after you do your PIN or you do your fingerprint. Now in the middle there, where the dollar figure is $14.18. That's what's currently in the Cash app. Now, what's cool about this app too is you can request a credit card. So if we were to hit that, you can request a Visa card, and it will come and have your own account number on there and your name. And what's good about that is you can take that Visa card and go to any ATM and put the card in and your PIN and withdraw money that's in the Cash app. Now, as you see at the bottom also too, you can add cash to your Cash app, and you just hit cash, add cash, put a figure in, say, I don't know, $50, and hit add, and then it will take it out of your banking account. Also, too, if you notice, it also has where you can cash out. What cash out means that you want to deposit the balance that's in your Cash app into your checking account. So if you were to hit cash out, you would hit this and you would see, would you like to deposit the $14.18 into your account? Now, if you choose to put it in, if you hit tomorrow, it will put that $14.18 in there by then. If you want to do it immediately, they're going to charge you a 14-cent fee. So I don't think that's much to ask for. So you can hit it immediately and add that money to your checking account. So that works out pretty good. Say, for instance, your checking account has gone negative for some reason and you need to add some money to it. That's a good way to do it. Now, if you look up toward the top of the screen too, you see where it says BTC. You can also buy Bitcoins, and I'm not really familiar with any of that so far, so I hadn't even messed with that yet. But, so we're getting back to the main screen, and then also if you hit the face icon, you will see where you can invite friends, and Square Cash is going to give you $5 if you invite a friend and they download the app, and then they spend at least $5 from the app. Square Cash is going to give them $5 and you $5. Now, as you can see too, you see where it says security log. It says for each transaction, you have to use your fingerprint or you use your PIN that you already set up. And again, it shows the funds that I have available have $14.18 in cash in the Cash App, nothing in from Bitcoins, and then I have my Bank of America account hooked onto that. And so we're going to come out of that real quick. And so that's about it for this video. Now, let me say this one thing. What I really like about this app and why it's so convenient and so neat to me is that it comes in handy when you have an emergency. Say, for instance, a family member like a brother calls you, needs to borrow $30 real quick, but you're at work or you're somewhere where you can't get to him. So you can use the Cash App. If he has that on his phone, he has the Cash App. You can transfer $30 quickly to him. You don't have to worry about trying to go get money out of ATM and then meet him somewhere to give him that money. So it makes it very convenient. You could be anywhere in the country and be able to pay somebody back for something that you owe them, or they can pay you back. You can be anywhere in the country and receive that. So again, that's about it for our video for today. Hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. And again, if this is your first time checking out our channel, or if you've been here before but hadn't subscribed, I want you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon so you can be notified of new content as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology on the move. Thanks.